Hello, there is much consternation around the whispered R, a whole lot of trepidation, all of it entirely unnecessary. This is probably because we are taught a very long drawn out method, which of course is the best approach. However, today I'm going to try to present two ways to do the whispered R. One is the proper way and the other is a quick, easy and very useful approach. Before this, we must consider this is premium and free content. It takes time and can be of value. It helps grow the channel tremendously if you subscribe and like the video. Positive comments and questions are also very useful. Thank you. Okay, so all procedures in Alexander technique are directed. Procedures. So get yourself into an upright position, sitting or standing. Make sure you are practicing the Alexander technique fully. In short, we go up. Now, we must have a gentle focus on the breathing mechanism and the vocal apparatus. We must think of something funny. FM Alexander said that if you can't think of something funny, you can't think. We laugh and smile because it frees up the jaw. Allow the air to fill up your lungs, then we make the whispered R sound. Now remember to place the tip of the tongue on the tip of the lower teeth. Soft tongue before you start. Now, as we do this, we are aware of the full intake of breath. We don't make the sound using all of the air. We avoid tension by a short sound of 3 long seconds. We repeat the sound 3 times, not in a hurry, and that is it. However, we must be aware that this whispered R works over time. It influences our vocal use. It also prevents problems for speakers of all kinds. I think of teachers in big classrooms, but also of Tony Robbins, who sounds like his voice has been through a cheese grater. Never use the voice without properly warming it up. We do this 3 times. That said, now for the quick version. Sometimes we really do have to get going. Still, the vocal cords are cold. They need a little help. Just do this. 3 times, it's fine, it's easy. The main thing is to not use your voice without warming those vocal cords. Now, I'm sure many of you are thinking, did he do this whispered R in the making of this video? Of course I did. Thank you, and goodbye. Why not subscribe and watch some more videos?